guys, so this is the demo for the e-commerce project. So first of all, we have to log in, but before we log in, we already have to have an account. So let's sign up with a new account named Tim, and the password is Tim. Sign up. It says sign up successful. Then we can log in now. Tim. Okay, it takes us to this page, and then we can see a form. We can also log out if we want. We can view the liked products. So let's just view this one first. It says that Tim has no liked products right now, so let's just go view some products and like it. Okay, let's just enter iPhone 14. Let's just say 15 actually, in the country USA. So it shows us list of products that's available right now. You can see them. So let's just view this one for a second. It shows us for each of the products, it shows us the product name, the price, the rating, and the delivery. If you want to like view more about the products, we can just click on the product link, and it takes us to a page, the Amazon page, that shows us more about the products. You can do that for different like the available products. Okay, we can also like the products as well. That's if you're interested in the products, and it says it to your liked products. So let's just say I want to like some products. Okay, I like this one. I'll just like any random one. I like this one too. And then you can also unlike it if you want, but let's just say unlike. It shows removed from like. Okay, I like this one too. And we go to view liked products. It shows me there the products that I've liked. I can also choose to unlike it from here, and if you go back and come here, it shows the unliked products. Let's just search for new products as well. PS5, and let's say United in the UK. Okay, it shows us available PS5 in the UK. We can view the product links, accept. The product links shows more information about the products. I can go here, like this one too, and then view my liked product. It shows me the PS5s that I liked. So let's log out and log into a new account. I'd say a different account. If I view the liked product of this account, it's different from the one that was before this one. So let's just see. So this user has products that they've liked that's specific to this account. I can also unlike it. Unlike, it removes from the unlike. I can unlike it, and if I go back, it removes it from the liked product. I'm gonna walk you through the front and the back end of the project. So this is the home page for when the user are successfully logged in. It uses JavaScript to collect the product and pass it into this route that's available on Python. So this is when the user unlikes the product, it changes the display of the products. And this is just, for the form I used in available country that was available on the API. And this is the products. I passed in the products from the Python file, which is in this result, and then I use the for loop to like get the products and display them on the page. So this is for the liked products. So when the user goes into this page, it displays the liked products, and we can also unlike for the products. So this is the login page, and this is the sign up page, Okay. Then for the database.py, I used multiple functions to interact with the database. One to connect, one to create the tables that we use to store the user's data and the products that the user likes. One to check if the username is in the database. In the add to like table function, I passed in the user ID and the product. The product stores in values, like the product is in the title, the price, and everything. And then I store the liked product into this table using the user ID as well. So in this table we have the user ID product as in. So when it stores in the database, it links the user ID to the specific product. So when we want to remove from the liked table, we delete a product based on the product as seen and the user ID, and this is used to get the liked products from the users table. So this file contains the code for the sign up page. This one contains the code for the login page. It's just simple. This file is responsible for interacting with the database and making the API request. We create the table first, and then this is for when the user logs in, it gets the user's item, gets the input item and the country, and then passes it into this function, which is this one. Then we find the product, and if there's no available product, we return false, but if there is, we get the specific characters that we need, which is this one, and then we pass it into the HTML file. This is the route for adding to favorites, and this is the route for viewing the favorites file. And this is the main Python file that is used to run the app. I used blueprints to make the code look more professional and more readable. The code is available on GitHub. The link is in the bio. Thanks for watching.